Hey guys, it's Keke and I'm back with another video. And in today's video I have a haul from Micheals and Dollar Tree. So let's get started. So from Micheals, I purchased these felt. So, and it just says red. So yeah, it just says red. I purchased 2 of those. By the Recollections brand, the crafted removable monogram stickers. Purchased one in the letter V and in the letter K. Also, I purchased these Celebrate Mylar 4 balloons in the letter V as well, and they were $1.99, and also in the letter K. Also for Micheals, I purchased by the Joy brand, the iron-on embroideries. I purchased 3 of those, one in the letter C, well 2 in the letter C and 1 in the letter H. The Mod Podge Dimensional Magic in the silver glitter. So this was a new find, so I was excited this trip to Dollar Tree. So yeah, I found some new items. So I purchased this love sign here, and it is in like a pinky color, like a pink color. So I was excited to find that. Also purchased the hanging grad decoration, centerpiece of the 2018 grad. Congrats. Also purchased the certificate picture frame. This birthday card here was a new find for me. This was the microwave egg cookers, and it is by the Cracking Egg, and it just says crack, cook, and enjoy. So that was a brand new find. Also by the Flora Garden, I picked up the Aster Daisy clip-on. By the Coastal Bay brand, I purchased the Starlight Mints sugar-free peppermints. Purchased some cotton swab. A brand new find. I was happy to find these items. So I purchased the Frog Bubble Maker. Purchased 2 of those. I also found some new nails as well. Sassy and Chic Fashion Nails. And these are the stiletto ones in the color, the pink ones, and they're just pink with roses on them. So I hope you can see that. So I purchased 2 of those. And I also purchased the stilettos in the peach color. So I purchased 2 of those as well. Also by the Voila brand, I purchased this pretty Mother's Day card. It is just so pretty. I love that card. They're 3 cards. So I purchased that. And I finally found this, what is this? The glass tea light holder on my wish list. So purchased this one in the pink, and it just says hello gorgeous. And last but not least, found the macaroon trinket boxes. So picked up one in the teal color and one in the pink color. So guys, that completes my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.